followers, this is Plumbing Part 4, Definitions of Terms starting with B, a video tutorial with notes and pictures. This is brought to you by University of Cebu Civil Engineering. For today's topic, we are going to define the following terms: bedpan steamer, boiler blow-off, boiler blow-off tank, branch, branch fixture, branch horizontal, branch interval, branch vent, building, building classification, building drains, building drain combined, building drain sanitary, building drain storm, building sewer combined, building sewer sanitary, building sewer storm, building subdrain, building trap. Bedpan steamer, a fixture used for scalding bedpans or urinals by direct application of steam. Boiler blow-off, an outlet on a boiler to permit emptying or discharge of sediment. See the figure below 1.2.12. Boiler blow-off tank, a vessel designed to receive the discharge from a boiler blow-off outlet and to cool the discharge to a temperature that permits its safe discharge to the draining system. See figure 1.2.12. Comment: boiler blow-off must be cooled to 140 degrees Fahrenheit or less before being discharged into the draining system. If potable water is supplied for cooling, the water source must be protected from backflow. An air brake can be provided at the discharge from the blow-off tank into the draining system if the make-up water supplied to the boiler is protected against backflow. Branch, any part of the piping system other than a riser, main, or stack. See figure 1.2.13. Comment: branch piping can serve more than one fixture of appliance. Branch fixture, see fixture branch. Branch horizontal, see horizontal branch drain. Branch interval, a distance along a soil or waste stack corresponding in general to a story height, but in no care less than 8 feet within which the horizontal branches from one story or one floor of a building are connected to the stack. See figure 1.2.14. Comment: branch intervals are used to determine the potential drainage load on stacks for the purpose of sizing the stacks. In figure 1.2.14, for branch intervals, A, B, and BD are branch intervals. B, C, and CD are not branch intervals. Branch vent, C, vent branch. Building, a structure having walls on a roof designed and used for the housing, shelter, enclosure, or support of persons, animals, or property. Building classification, the arrangement adopted by the authority having jurisdiction for the designation of buildings in classes according to occupancy. Building drain, the lowest piping in a drainage system that receives the discharge from stacks and horizontal fixture branches within a building that conveys sewage, waste, or other drainage to a building sewer beginning 3 feet outside the building wall. Horizontal fixture branches are sized until they connect to the building drain or a branch of a building drain that serves 2 or more horizontal fixture branches. See figure 1.2.16. Building drain, combined, a building drain which conveys both sewage and stormwater or other drainage. See figure 1.2.15. Figure 1.215 shows a combined building drainage system. Figure 1.2.16 shows the separate sanitary and stormwater building drains and sewers. Number 1 is the building drain for the sanitary. Number 2 is the building drain for storm. 3 is for the building sewer sanitary, and 4 is for the building sewer storm. Building drain sanitary. A building drain that conveys sewage only. See Figure 1.2.16. Building drain storm. A building drain that conveys storm water or other drainage but no sewage. See Figure 1.2.16. Building sewer. The part of the drainage system which extends from the end of the building drain and conveys its discharge to a public sewer, private sewer, individual sewage disposal system, or other point of disposal. See Figure 1.2.15. Building sewer combined. A building sewer that conveys both sewage and storm water or other drainage. See Figure 1.2.15. Building sewer sanitary. A building sewer that conveys sewer only. See Figure 1.2.16. Building sewer storm. A building sewer that conveys storm water or other drainage but no sewage. See Figure 1.2.16. Building subdrain. That portion of a drainage system that does not drain by gravity into the building sewer or building drain. See Figure 1.2.17. In the Figure 1.217 is the illustration for a building subdrain. We have the vents, the building subdrain, the discharge to gravity drain, and last is the sewage sump pit with automatic sewage pump or ejector. Building trap. A device, fitting, or assembly of fittings installed in the building drain to prevent circulation of air between the drainage system of the building and the building sewer. See Figure 1.2.18. Comment. Building traps are currently installed only when required by the authority having jurisdiction. Figure 1.2.18 shows an illustration of a building trap. That ends our discussion for Plumbing Part 4. This is a video tutorial with notes and pictures, definition of terms starting with B, brought to you by University of Cebu Civil Engineering. Thank you and enjoyed learning!